In this video, I will explain leverage. Literally, the meaning of leverage means lifting or opening something by using a lever. In other words, we can say that when we are lifting or opening something by using some force, then it is called leverage. In other words, in the world of corporate finance, the meaning of leverage is investing a money or taking loan or debt so that we can get maximum return by investing this money in near future. In other words, we can say that leverage is basically an investment where borrowed money or debt is used to maximize the return of an investment. How we will find out that which firm is leveraged firm? The question arises here. So, suppose Mr. X is a businessman. He has more debt than equity. He has equity less and he has debt more. He has debt more. He has taken so many debt for his company. So, when the amount of debt is more than equity, then we can say that the firm is leveraged firm. Now next, leverage are three types: operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. The first one is operating leverage. What is operating leverage? Operating leverage measures the relationship between sales revenue and EBIT. Means EBIT is dependent on sales revenue. Here, sales revenue is an independent variable and EBIT is dependent variable, which means that if sales will decrease or increase, then EBIT will also decrease or increase. How we will find out EBIT? Let's check. First of all, we will minus variable cost from sales. Then what we will get? We will get contribution. After minus fixed cost from contribution, then we will get EBIT, means earning before interest and tax. This is the part of operating leverage. Operating leverage. After that, when we will minus interest from EBIT, then we will get earning before tax. And after minus tax from EBIT, we will get EAT. That means earning after tax. We are earning the amount after tax. When we will minus, then when we will divide number of shares from EAT, that is earning after tax, then we will get the value of EPS, that means earning per share. And from EBIT to earning per share, from EBIT to earning per share, this is the value of financial leverage. Financial leverage. We can say that from sales to EBIT, this is operating leverage, and from EBIT to EPS, this is financial leverage. The operating cost of the firm can be divided into three categories according to their behavior. The first one is variable cost, second one is fixed cost, and the third one is semi-variable cost. What is variable cost? variable cost which varies to the volume of output. That means when the output will be changed, then variable cost will be changed. And fixed cost. What is fixed cost? Fixed cost remains same during the specific period of time. That means fixed cost never change. Semi-variable cost, which are partly variable and partly fixed. What are the example of variable cost? Here, the example of variable cost, we can say that labor, when the change of output, that means for example, when the change output is 3, okay, then the labor will be also 3. We are using, when we will increase the output, then we have to increase the labor also. So, variable cost, what comes under variable cost? That is labor, expenses, utility expenses, commission, raw material, raw material, and commission. These are the example of variable cost. And what will be fixed cost, which is remain fixed during the specific period of time? That is rent. Rent is always fixed within the specific period of time. Rent, insurance, depreciation, depreciation, property tax, property tax. Formula. Formula is contribution divided by EBIT or percentage change in EBIT divided by percentage change in sale. Let's see one question. Ram and Roy. Sales revenue, variable cost, fixed cost. So, sales revenue. Sales revenue is 6 lakh and 12 lakh. We will minus variable cost from sales revenue. 3 lakh, 4 lakh. We will get contribution. We will get the value of contribution, that is 3 lakh and 8 lakh. After that, we will minus fixed cost, that is 2 lakh and 4 lakh. The EBIT will be 1 lakh and 4 lakh. The formula was contribution divided by EBIT. So the value of contribution is 3 lakh and EBIT is 1 lakh. For Ram, answer will be 3, and for Roy, the value of contribution is 8 lakh and the EBIT is 4 lakh, that is 2. The operating leverage of Ram is 3 and the operating leverage of Roy is 2. So, with this example, we can say that The business risk associated with RAM is higher than ROI because the value of operating leverage is 3 of RAM and the value of operating leverage is 2 of ROI. That's all for today.